Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. He took me. Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na, na, na. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, ooh, na, na. He didn't walk up with that how you doing when he came in. He said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't with them. Do him forever in a minute. That's on my night. And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, ooh na na.
Jeffrey just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no mountains. Damn, fresh out East Atlanta. Up on board like a traffic jam. Man, I was quick to pay that girl like Uncle Sam. Here you go, ayy, take it on me. Ayy, shout craving on me, get the beating on me. She waited on me, yeah. Shout caking on me, got the bacon on me. This is history and I'm making on me. Point blank, close range, that feed. If it goes a million, that's me. I was getting moolah, baby.
Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, ooh na na. Take me back, back, back. 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 Take me back to Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, ooh na na. Take me back, Havana, ooh na na.
Hello guys, we are going to learn Havana Cha. We really like it. It's a lovely song and the dance is fantastic. I'm going to, as usual, give you a little bit of a breakdown step by step. Then we do the sequence of the dancing and then we do some counting and of course the dancing with the music, which is the fun part. All right, let's get started. All right, you're going to start with a step forward with a right and you're going to rock left, recover. You're going to cha-cha back, shuffle back with that left. You're going to rock back with the right, recover. And here you're going to do a kick ball chain with a cross. Kick, cross, and toe to the side. We should do that again, don't you think? All right, here it is again. Step, rock, recover, shuffle back, rock right, recover. Here comes that kick. Kick, cross, toe. Excellent. We're going to cross the left, point with the right, and then we're going to shuffle forward. Excellent. We're going to continue from there. We are going to now bring the left foot forward, quarter turn, and we're going to cross shuffle the left foot. All right. Here comes a sway. Sway, sway. 2 steps to the right. You're going to step cross forward with the left, step with the right, and a cellular in an angle, kind of like to 1 o'clock. And a step forward with the left. Turn with the right, and you're going to shuffle right and right to the side. Okay. So from there, we're going to do a quick jazz box, which will be 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and end up with a step lock. How was that? Ha. Let's try this all over again. Now again, that will be step, rock, recover, cha-cha back, rock, recover, kick cross point, shuffle forward, touch, quarter turn, cross shuffle, sway, sway, shuffle to the right, cross, step, cellular to 1 o'clock, step, half turn, shuffle to the right, cross weave, step, step lock. Try with a count. Here it is. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Whoopsie, I almost lost my balance there. I'm going to break it down a little bit more, and then we'll do a few walls. All right, so here it is. You're going to step with the right, rock with the left, recover, cha-cha back. Rock back with the right, recover. Kick right, cross right toe with the left. Cross left toe. Shuffle forward with the right. Left goes forward to turn, pivoting into your right shoulder. Cross shuffle with the left. Sway the hips, right, then left. And you're going to cha-cha, shuffle to the right. 2 steps, left, then right. You're going to do cellular, turn into 1 o'clock. A reminder on your cellular, left goes back, together, forward. You're going to do a step forward with the right, turn halfway kind of with the left, shuffle to the right, and here we do a quick little jazz box. 1, 2, 3, and lock. All right, so let's do the whole thing and do a few walls. That way, nice and slow, you can follow me. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. So step, rock, recover, cha-cha back. You go, rock, kick, cross point, touch, and cross point, shuffle forward, quarter turn right, shuffle cross, sway the hips, shuffle right, 2 steps cross, cellular to 1 o'clock, 2 steps, half turn, shuffle right, and a cross and hold, and cross and touch, and rock, recover, shuffle back, and rock and kick for a cross point, and a cross point, shuffle forward, and quarter turn, cross shuffle, and sway, sway, shuffle right, cross step, cellular to the side, and step, halfway, shuffle right, and a cross and step, and a touch, hold, touch, forward and shuffle back, rock and kick and cross point, and step, point, shuffle forward, quarter turn, right, cross, shuffle, sway 2 hips, shuffle right, and there we go from there. I know, right? But watch the video again, and you'll be just fine. Thank you for watching.
Hey.